There are 7,800 mails in my Gmail inbox. When you have a cluttered inbox, you may lose something important. And also it takes time to find a specific mail you want. So how to delete all mails in Gmail in one click, instead of going through the hassle of deleting every single mail one by one. Especially if you have thousands of unwanted or promotional mails. Not many people know this. Let me show you time-saving Gmail tips and tricks to delete all mails in Gmail in just one click. I've also made some other videos on Gmail. Make sure you check out those videos. You can use the search options to filter if you want. If you select multiple mails to delete all mails, it's time consuming. Because to delete all emails on Gmail, even if you click here, maximum 50 mails are displayed. So that's the max you're able to delete this way. And then you'll need to delete the next 50 mails and then the next 50 and so on. If you click on settings here and then on see all settings, you can change the maximum page size to 100 mails instead of 50. But you'll still need to delete in batches of 100. If you have less mails, it's fine. But if you have more mails, it's still time consuming. So how to delete all emails in one click? The trick to select all mails and not just the ones showing on the screen is click here on this little checkbox. By the way, you can filter mails from these options, read, unread, etc. Did you notice this hidden option which says select all 7,800 conversations in inbox to delete all mails at once Gmail? Click on it. Now it says all 7,800 mails in inbox are selected. Now if you click on this delete button, it says this action will affect all mails in inbox. Are you sure? Because this will delete all emails in one time. If you're sure, click on OK. When mails get deleted from here, they still stay in Gmail inbox for 30 days. To delete mails permanently from Gmail, click here on More, then go to Bin, select all mails, then click on Empty Bin Now. This will delete all mails in Gmail permanently. That's how you delete all emails at a time. Delete all emails on Gmail. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment. For more such videos, subscribe with bell for free and click here.